Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I've gone over all this, but never in one video. And then I had somebody email me a question. How can you rotate, or how do I make the hotkeys for rotating around an object that's not in the center? And I'm going to show you the one I do that's in the center with alternate C. But CE are hotkeys inside of Corel. They're an alignment tool. So if you wanted to take a square, and if you will hold it, and I was holding down the control button to make a perfect square. And then if you will grab that four-sided arrow and put it right there, it'll snap to. That's because I have snap to page, object, and guidelines on, so it snapped to the page. Now, if I want to draw an ellipse, I will hold down the control button to make a perfect ellipse. Now, if I want that circle inside of that, equally in the center without doing it in the center of the page, I'm going to have that selected. So the last thing selected is your anchor point. So then I'm going to shift select that, and I'm going to go EC, and that put it in the center of that circle. Now, if you wanted to make an ellipse and say it's over here, and then I would draw a circle and put it here, a small circle, and I'm going to go shift select that circle, which is my anchor point, and go EC or CE. It does not matter. Now I want an object to rotate around that circle. I will make a circle, and I will put it on dead center top right there, and you see it's on the quadrant. And then I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate and click on the X, which is my rotation. And then I'm going to put the rotation in the center of that little circle. It might even be getting in the center of the big circle, but now I can rotate this circle from that anchor point there and put it anywhere. And so much, if you wanted to do that, I'm going to Control D, click on the rotation, put it in the center. I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees, and then Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. Now, that's when you're not working in the center of the page. If you're working in the center of the page, you would draw an ellipse and put it in the center of the page. And then let's do a star. Let's draw a star. Well, four-sided star is good enough. What I normally do is hit P, and then while holding down the control button, I will have it go up. So now it's in the top. Now I want to rotate it from the center of that star. So I'm going to hit alternate plus C. So I'm going to go alternate C, and it put the rotation in the center. And then I can rotate that guy 45 degrees. I didn't Control D. Whenever I don't do that, I go Control D, alternate C, and then rotate it back to 0, and then Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. So that's when you're working in the center of the page. This is a macro that I started, and then Mr. Roy Brewer made it work on, I made it work on my page, and Mr. Brewer made it work on anybody's page size. So I don't care, where you put it. If you go alternate C, it's going to rotate from the center, and then you can rotate that square anywhere you want it, and it's going around that center circle. I'll put my email at the bottom of this video, and I've done it many of times and shared that macro many times. Just ask me for that macro, and I'll email it back to you. So I'll put my email at the bottom of the video. I hope that's what the young lady was asking, but if not, they'll email me back. Hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.